Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this eye massager for headaches and things like that. It has air pressure, vibration, chargeable, Bluetooth function, temperature, music, automatic timing. I don't get a lot of headaches, but when I do, they're not a lot of fun. So it comes with some instructions there, a little charging cord. This looks like a VR headset here, that's pretty cool. Comes a little bag here as well. Show you guys that real quick. That's pretty nice. Okay, that's it for the bag, for the box. And then here's this. Kind of excited to give this a shot. This looks very futuristic actually. Looks like some kind of a stormtrooper thing out of Star Wars. Soft material here and a little elastic headband that's adjustable. We got temperature here on the side, things like that, battery. Okay, push the power button. I'm just going to put this on. It's got music playing. It's got pretty soothing music going on here. It's got some pressure on the sides and on the front here. Kind of some soothing like piano music going on. And it's pushing on the temples. Actually feels pretty good. Feel a little bit of heat. There's a little bit of heat coming on there. And now it's pressing in on my the bridge of my nose there. And then back to the temples. Alright, switch to some jungle sounds now. And you can hook this up to Bluetooth and put whatever music and songs or whatever you want on there. It's actually pretty relaxing. I like the temple squeeze. That feels really good actually. I'm not sure how hot the temperature is right here, so I'll adjust that. Let's see. I want to switch it to
comfort mode, dynamic mode, passion mode.
Passion mode. Oh, it's got the vibrate too. I'm gonna have to actually see how to do the different modes here. All right, well, I hooked it up to my Bluetooth just fine. Playing some Creed on there. Yeah, pretty cool actually. It's got the different modes you can put it on. Power, hold down the power, it turns it off. And then this switches,
Comfort mode.
it tells you the mode that it switches on, and some have massage, heat, vibration, Bluetooth, some have with the music. It has the different modes on here. It tells you like which ones and what they have. You can turn off the heat if you don't like the heat just by pushing the C button. That turns off the heat. And the other modes have whether you want the pressing on your temples or the middle of the nose there. And actually quite relaxing. I'm a little surprised, but this is pretty. You can just relax on your couch and just kind of get a nice little face massage there and just kind of tune out the world, you know. So yeah, and not only that, it's like pretty much blacks out everything else too. So if you just want to chill and enjoy a nice little massage there, it's a pretty neat little device. We have our little battery charge down there in the bottom, and once you turn it on, it indicates like how much battery charge you have on the side with this little little panel here on the side. So pretty sweet. It seems to be pretty durable. This is like quite comfortable on the face. The heat was a little different for me. I mean, it felt all right, but it was just a different kind of sensation. So I don't really like the heat on there. But as far as the squeezing of the temples and the little vibration there is pretty sweet. And like I said, easy to adjust and comfortable. Actually, probably see myself using this. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. Hope it was helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.